Hey, what's up? Check this out. Look what the Aputure guys created. The Amaran P60c. This comes in two flavors. There's a P60X, which is a daylight, or actually a white light. But why get that when you can get the C, which stands for color? As you know, I love color. So let's take a look at this. This is really exciting because the panel lights, all the rage and everything, but they tend to be big and bulky. I've not opened this, so let's see if I struggle with the box. Nope, good job. Well packaged again, like everything that they do. Look at this. So let's see. Strap for the bag that comes with it, and a little Amaran pouch with goodies in it. We'll go ahead and put this down. What's in here? Let's start with the goodies, I guess, right? Aha! A diffusion kit. So you can actually, as you can see, strap that on the light panel to diffuse the light panel. Because light panels can be pretty harsh. And if you can see right there, it's got a little snap thing. That's how you can quickly snap it on and put it on your light panel. Maybe we'll show that at the end. But really nice touch. Probably not the softest light when you use this. You can definitely use, an umbrella, for example, or bounce it off. But in a pinch, this is gonna work really nice. So that's great. Glad that they include that in there. What's in here? Oh, look at that. Got a QR code thing that you can't even open probably. So I'm gonna need some scissors. I'll be back. Scissors. So let's go ahead and cut that. I hope I was supposed to cut that. Well, we'll see. I guess maybe I cut the power cord. Just kidding. So you got that right there. So it comes in a nice little bag. Again, you can get this in a multi-light kit as well. I'm sure the bag adjusts as well. It's got a front pouch and a side, oh, look at that, and a back pouch. So neatly organized, you have the Amaran power brick, which again has that nice metal loop so you can hang it on the light stand without putting too much tension, which I always like that, because sometimes you have these big power bricks that hang off the light stand and they really put a lot of tension on the cord, which is not good. There's a charger, and what's in here. Aha! So it comes with that very good traditional clamp thing, where you can spigot, connect it to the light stand, connect it right there, and then obviously move it around. So that's a nice touch, well organized. I like that. Compact, which is obviously the reason we want to get this. One of the exciting things about this is that we want to use this for travel, so not necessarily just for the home studio, although you can, of course. But we want something compact, powerful. It's 60 watts. That's why it says P60c. In here comes, there's a manual, blah, blah, blah. And what do we got in here? Let's take a look. Oh, you know what this is? Just realized before we get into a light. It's a grid, which I'm a big fan of grids. As you know, a lot of people don't use grids, and shame on them. They probably don't know what it does. But it really controls the spill. So this is where you can control so the light doesn't bounce off everything. So you want it very directional, which is great for backgrounds like this, where it's black and you don't want it to be overblown with the light. This is how you can control the light beams so they go right to your subject and not spill anything. So that's a nice touch. And that seems like it connects right on top of this. Yeah, there's Velcro right there. Great job, Aputure. And so here's the actual light. You can see the light right there, again, strapped in, and I'm gonna go ahead and unstrap it. Okay, it's got good weight to it. It's not super heavy, but it's not very flimsy either. And so this is the color version again. You can see all the lights there. Back it has fans, all the control knobs. Now, and it has battery. So you can actually use the Sony batteries right here, which is great on location. You can put 2 batteries and you can use it obviously with DC power or battery. That's awesome. Nice LCD panel here with all the buttons. And again, they have a great app, the Sidious Link app. I really like it. I use it for a lot of my other lights with them, and you can control everything. It's got the little light stand kind of spigot. There's a power cord. It's not light, you know. It's got like, it doesn't feel cheap because Amaran is their more budget line, but it doesn't feel budget at all. In fact, it feels very solid. I like this. This is a great little light that we'll use definitely for our travel podcast. When we do our podcast when we travel, we want to make sure that we have something light, powerful, sturdy enough, but not, you know, takes hours to set up either. So great job. I think I need a second one. Come on, Aputure, hook me up. We need two, you know, because we're doing two people interviews. So one maybe on one person and one on another person. How about that? So again, great job. Really like this. Amaran P60c from Aputure. Get one. I told Mia to actually turn on the light, so there's no light on me right now, or just the ambient light. I wanted to see how bright that this thing is, the P60c. Really want to see, because it is very compact. You know, 60 watts. That can't be too bright. So let's take a look. 100% power. I'm blind. Damn. That's about, and that's far, by the way. That's not like, that's like maybe 8 feet away. I can't see. It's about 8 feet away. I don't know if you saw how bright that thing is. That's at 100%. That's nice. That's really, really nice and really powerful for as little of a light it is. So good job again.